Hi guys, today we will be discussing about apert syndrome, which falls under craniosynostosis syndrome. There are more than one syndromes in this. We will be discussing in the further sessions. So, apert syndrome is also called as acrocephalosyndactyly. Acro means extremities, cephalo means head, and syndactyly means fused fingers, fusion of fingers. So together, from the name itself, we can identify a specific feature of this disease, which is syndactyly, which makes it different from the other diseases, other syndromes, such as Crouzon syndrome. It involves craniosynostosis and midface hypoplasia, but it may not involve syndactyly. In apert syndrome, there is severe syndactyly. There is another syndrome called Pfeiffer syndrome, which also has uh, involvement of extremities, but instead of syndactyly, there are broad thumbs and toes in it. So that is the main difference. I hope you all get it. So talking about the clinical feature, it is of course craniosynostosis, which is the early fusion of skull structures, especially the coronal suture, which makes the appearance of a short, broad skull and give rise to brachiocephaly. This has an autosomal dominant inheritance pattern. And also there is midface hypoplasia as well as poor intellectual development. So FGFR stands for fibroblast growth factor receptor, which encodes tyrosine kinase. It helps in cell differentiation and growth, but the main function of this is development and maintenance of bone. So apert syndrome is associated with the FGFR2. Crouzon syndrome is also associated with FGFR2, but Pfeiffer syndrome it can either be FGFR1 or FGFR2. So these are the oral findings, which is high arched or cleft palate, crowding of teeth, and delayed tooth eruption. The next most important thing is the copper beaten appearance, which is the radiographic feature of apert syndrome. It occurs due to increase in intracranial pressure.